Hey guys, welcome back from the BIM Eaton Studio. So today's video, I'm going to show you about the navigation edge of the Navisworks. So let me maximize the Navisworks window. Alright. Okay, so first of all, we have to go to the View tab and then go again the navigation edge panel, and then we can see these four tools. Okay, alright. The navigation bar we can see in our default view. So when I click, this will disappear. When I click again, this will show. Alright, and then the view cube also work like that. Okay, so another two more tools about the HUD head-up display and then reference view. So I just click the drop down panel, and here we can see another two options: H1Z access and position readout. Okay, before I check this one, in the default view we can see about the grid line and level view. Alright, so I click the drop down panel and then I check on the H1Z access. So this will show us the location of the camera, H1Z position of the camera. So when I adjust my view, so and then I'm going to use the lookup tool, and then I play like that. So this will also change here. Okay, another tool is about the position readout. So this will also show us the H1Z position of the camera. So we can say the absolute H1Z position. So I check again, and then so when I play like that, we can see about H and Y, Z location, absolute location. So I'm gonna turn off this tool because I just want to use the default view. Alright, another one more tool is about the reference view. So when I click that drop down panel, this will show us two options. When I click the plan view, so this pop-up window will appear, and then when I also can adjust the window size. Even I make this very small, this will show us the whole plan view. Alright, another one more thing is about the session view. The session view also play like that. Yeah, also. Alright, so okay, this time we need to note one more thing. Currently, this will show us the whole project plan view and session view. So when we hide something, alright, so now I'm gonna hide. Let me choose the arrow select. Alright, now I'm gonna hide about the floor and topography of this model. Go to the item tool, alright, home, and then hide. So now only left about the road and then building. I go back to the home tab view and click the plan view and session view. So now like this, you can see about the topography. Okay, I just go back to the plan view. So in the plan view, we only can see about our and hidden bin. So when you hide something in our workspace view, this will not show us in our reference view option. So that's the thing. And then here we can see the sunlight triangle white thing. So this is the camera location. So when I adjust like this, this will show us the view like that. Alright. So in the next video, I'm going to share you about the grid and level of the Navisworks, how grid and level work in the Navisworks more speed view. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.